Namaste friends, namaste to all. My name is V. Jasmita. Today I am going to tell about Puss and the Parrot story. It is raining. Puss the cat is feeling hungry. He looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. He lifts the parrot. Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Feeling very happy. Yes. La la la, dum ti dum. La la la, dum ti dum. I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me. No, Mr. Puss. You eat me. No, my dear. I cannot eat you. I'm an old cat. I don't have teeth. Here I come. Okay, here I come. La la la, dum ti dum. La la la, dum ti dum. Puss jumps on the pallet. Good cat will do. First, wash your hands and face. See how fast I wash my hands and face. I cannot wait for you, Mr. Puss. Mr. Puss. Bye. Oh no! I'm hungry. You like this story? This moral of the story is think wisely when you're in trouble. Thank you, ma'am.